The Karcher Vc5 vacuum cleaner is part of the floor cleaning range developed by the world's leading provider of cleaning technology. Powerful, lightweight and compact, the Vc5 vacuum cleaner is perfect for cleaning all round the home. The telescopic extension system allows the unit to be adjusted to any user, making it extremely comfortable and easy to use. With 4 power settings, it can be adjusted for use on any flooring, including thick carpets or rugs. And with a simple switch of the floor tool, the Vc5 is perfect for any hard flooring. The flexible head and lightweight design makes it simple to get around any obstacles and easily under furniture. With comfort in mind, it can be used as a handheld vacuum to freshen soft furnishings, tackle tight, dusty areas and get to high, hard-to-reach places. The compact size and 9-meter power cable also make this powerful vacuum perfect for cleaning out the car. Once finished, the Vc5 is easy to empty and is ideal for storing in small cupboards. The Vc5 comes with a 2-year warranty.